Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about going to in English CEFR Year 4 Module 4. These are the lesson objectives. People should understand the usage of going to, and people should be able to use going to in sentence structures. What is going to? Going to is used in structures that used to describe events that happen in the future. We can use going to in present continuous tense or in past continuous tense. In present continuous tense, this is the structure. When we want to write a sentence, we have to start with the subject pronoun, then followed by verb to be, going to, and object. Look at this table. The subject pronoun, as you can see here, he, she, it. And for he, she, it, the verb to be is. After that, we can use going to followed by the object. For subject pronoun they, we, you, the verb to be are. And the last one, subject pronoun I, the verb to be am. For example, he is going to play the piano. They are going to wash the plates. I am going to throw the rubbish. Let's look at continuous tense. For past continuous tense, the sentence structure is almost the same, just that we need to replace the verb to be with was or were depending on the subject pronoun. For example, if the subject pronoun is he, she, it, and I, we use the verb to be was. If the subject pronoun they, we, and you, we use the verb to be were. For example, he was going to play the piano. They were going to make the bed. However, in Module 4 for Year 4 English, we will focus more on present continuous tense. Now, let's look at the sentence structures. David is going to play the piano. David, as you can see in this picture, only one person, and that's why we can use he to refer to David. So since we use he to refer to David, we can use is. That's why the sentence, David is going to play the piano. Next, Diana is going to throw the rubbish. Why do we use is? It's because Diana, as you can see in the picture here, is only one person. And Diana, we can replace it with the subject pronoun she. So, since we use she, we use is. the sentence structure becomes Diana is going to throw the rubbish. Maria and her mother are going to wash the plates. Why do we use are, not is? Alright, let's look at the people in this picture. There are two people. The little one is Maria and this one is her mother. So there are two people here. So we can replace Maria and her mother with the subject pronoun they. So since we use they, we use are. I am going to make the bed. Do you still remember the table? So since the subject pronoun is I, so we use am. I am. I am going to make the bed. Alright, now let's try this exercise together. Look at the pictures and the sentences. Jenny, in bracket, wash the dishes. So, you have to put either Jenny is going to wash the dishes or Jenny are going to wash the dishes or Jenny am going to wash the dishes. The clue is you need to look at the person. Then you can identify the subject pronoun. After you identify the subject pronoun, you can choose the suitable verb to be is, are, or am together with going to. You can pause this video to jot down the answer in your paper or your exercise book. Don't worry, we are going to do it together. Are you ready to check the answers? Alright, now let's check the answers together. Alright, now let's check the answers together. Number 1. Jenny, in bracket, wash the dishes. So what's the answer? Jenny is going to wash the dishes. Number 2. Lily and her mother, in bracket, cook the meal. What's your answer? Lily and her mother are going to cook the meal. Number 3. Ahmad is going to set the table. And the last one, number 4. Jason is going to sweep the floor. Have you got all the answers correct? Good job! Alright. I hope you enjoy learning English with me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye! See you next time.